You are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tyrogo's IQ. Today we are still going to continue on the topic called indices, and we're going to solve these three questions on the board right now by the application of law of indices, which is that of what? Multiplication law of indices. Without wasting much of our time, we are asked to simplify s raised to power n times s raised to power n. Now, according to law of indices, if the base are the same, you add the power. The base here is x, they are the same, and the power here is n. So, in solving this question, where we have x raised to power n times x raised to power n. Since the base are the same, we are going to add the power by saying s plus s raised to power n, then n plus n. Then our final answer will be equal to us s raised to power 2n. That is the final answer. As for this side, we have a solution here. Here we are asked to solve or simplify 7 raised to power 2 times 7. Remember, any number standing on its own, here have three properties. 1, the power is equal to 1. 7 raised to power 1 is 7. 2, it have a denominator of 1. 8 divided by 1 is still what? 8. That is 7 divided by 1 is still 7. It also have a multiple of 1. 1 times 7 is still 7. So these are the three properties that any number that is standing on its own have. For this reason, there is an invisible one here, and we're going to apply the law of indices. So 7 raised to power 2 times 7 is the same thing as what? 7 raised times 7 raised to power 1. Now the base are what? 7. All we need to do, we now say 7 raised to power 2 plus 1. Why? Since the base are the same, you add the power, and our final answer is equal to what? 7 raised to power 3. So when we have a raised to power 1 all over a, we can write it as what? A raised to power minus 1. And when we have 1 over a squared, we can write it as what? A raised to power what? Minus 2. For that reason, we can write this one as what? A raised to power what? Minus 3 times a raised to power 0 times a raised to power what? Minus 2. Now, when you look at all the base are a. According to law of indices, if the base are the same, you add the power. So then we are going to have a raised to power minus 3 plus 0 plus minus 2. And our final answer now is what? Minus 3 plus 0 will give us what? Minus 3. Then 0 plus minus 2 give us what? Minus 2. And means that our final answer is equal to what? Minus 5. Thank you. And in our next episode, we'll be moving to what? The part 4 of this tutorial. If you know you understand this topic or following this channel, you'll learn mathematics a bit, please do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, please.